Your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, good evening, folks, and welcome back in. A quick note from our home view shows that we have some cloud cover from the leftover storms that rolled through across portions of Lexington and the leftover clouds in Paris now, too, top right corner of your screen. Somerset and Richmond both still getting some sunshine, but a little bit of that cloud cover is working in thanks to some of these storms from across the region that have been popping up. We go over to radar and you can see we do have a flash flood warning until 9 p.m. for parts of Fayette and Scott County. Some storms near Nicholasville and northern portions of Madison County. And we go further to the northeast, though, you can see from Flemingsburg to Carlisle, there is a gnarly looking storm on radar. Not warned at this time, but likely producing torrential rainfall and some gusty winds. Keep an eye on that if you're in those areas, even back towards Cynthiana. The chance for some heavy rainfall is certainly in play. We had a strong storm blow through downtown here, knocking our temperature down to 76. Some areas that aren't seeing storms are still in the upper 80s to low 90s, like Frankfort, Somerset, and Richmond. You see areas with the storms, though, in the mid 70s to low 80s. The heat index in areas, of course, that don't have the rain are well near 100. 94 in McKee, 99 Monticello, feels like 100 in Frankfort and Somerset, 102 in Richmond, only feels like 77 here in downtown Lex. Of course, it's very humid on top of that. It's because we've got so much moisture available. We've got high pressure in the area, but we've got these storms bubbling up. Thanks to that high pressure sort of interacting with the front to our north, and we've just got these pockets of heat and instability. The atmosphere can't hold it any longer. We will be watching for a couple isolated chances for strong storms again as we roll into tonight. Most of this will die down as the sun sets. So by 8, 9, 10 o'clock, things are quiet for us once again. Into tomorrow, however, we'll have a new opportunity for some severe weather, mainly stretched right now across far southern Kentucky, our southern parkways, and then over into far eastern Kentucky. That doesn't mean we won't see some isolated storms here across the bluegrass. Best chance for the severe weather currently isolated further to the south. See, Futurecast gets rid of everything by 10 o'clock. We roll it into tomorrow mornings with the cloud cover sticking around early but fading away for us for southeastern Kentucky at 7 a.m. You start to roll into the afternoon, mostly sunny to partly cloudy, and here's our bubble up effect. It looks like those energies are moving a little further to the east. So you see those 5, 6 o'clock, they're bubbling up, sporadic in nature across the area. A hit or miss situation for us once again. Not everybody is getting in on that. We also had our heat advisory extended until 8 p.m. on Friday. Feels like up to 102. Should be the last day that we see that, because as we go into our Saturday, temperatures are going to struggle to hit 90. Same with Sunday, thanks to a weak little front dropping in, bringing more chances for scattered storms. The heat index also, you'll notice here in the forecast, mid to upper 90s. By mid next week, it is said and done. We do have those stormy chances coming our way in the next big thing. Saturday and Sunday. Just note Saturday looks stormier than Sunday. We'll have more updates on that, of course, as we get into later parts of the week here. Next week, the heat and humidity go away as storms